Maintaining good dental health is essential to ensure healthy teeth and gums. However, many people are unaware that they may be brushing their teeth incorrectly. In this video, I'll show you tips on how to brush your teeth correctly. Make sure you watch this video till the end to find out if you've been doing any of them. Before we get into details, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications to get updates on new videos. Here are 4 tips for better dental health that will help you maintain a healthy smile. Number 1. Brush for at least 2 minutes. Brushing your teeth for at least 2 minutes is crucial for proper oral hygiene. When you brush for less than 2 minutes, likely you may not be cleaning all the surfaces of your teeth, leaving behind bacteria, plaque, and food particles that can cause cavities, bad breath, and gum disease. Therefore, it's essential to brush for a full 2 minutes to ensure that you are cleaning all the surfaces of your teeth thoroughly. When brushing, use fluoride toothpaste that is specifically designed to help fight cavities and strengthen your teeth. Brushing your teeth for less than 2 minutes means you may not be cleaning all the surfaces of your teeth. Make sure to brush for at least 2 minutes twice a day using fluoride toothpaste. Number 2. Use the right technique. Your toothbrush has a big role here. Using the right brushing technique is just as important as brushing for the right amount of time. By using the correct technique, you can ensure that you are cleaning all surfaces of your teeth effectively and removing plaque and bacteria. To begin, hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums. This angle helps to reach the areas where your teeth meet your gums, which is a prime spot for plaque buildup. Use gentle circular motions or short back and forth strokes to brush the outer, inner, and chewing surfaces of your teeth. It's crucial to apply just enough pressure to feel the bristles against your teeth and gums, but not so much that it causes discomfort or pain. Remember to brush your tongue and the roof of your mouth as well, as they can harbor bacteria and cause bad breath. Gently brush the tongue from back to front and then rinse your mouth with water. Number 3. Floss regularly. Flossing is an integral part of maintaining good oral hygiene, and it's something that many people tend to overlook. While brushing can remove plaque and bacteria from the surfaces of your teeth, it cannot effectively reach the tight spaces between your teeth. This is where flossing comes in. Flossing is a simple process that involves sliding a thin piece of floss between your teeth and gently scraping along the sides of each tooth to remove plaque and food particles. By doing so, you can prevent cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Make sure to floss at least once a day, preferably before bedtime, as this gives your teeth a chance to stay clean throughout the night. If you have difficulty using traditional floss, you can also try floss picks or interdental brushes, which are easier to use and can be just as effective. Number 4. Visit your dentist regularly. Visiting your dentist regularly is an important part of maintaining good dental health. While brushing, flossing, and using mouthwash are all essential steps to keep your teeth and gums healthy, professional dental cleaning and checkup is also necessary to prevent and identify any dental problems. During a dental checkup, your dentist will examine your teeth, gums, and mouth for any signs of cavities, gum disease, oral cancer, or other dental problems. They may also take X-rays to check for any underlying issues that are not visible to the naked eye. Regular dental checkups also give your dentist a chance to clean your teeth professionally and remove any plaque or tartar buildup that brushing and flossing may have missed. This helps to prevent cavities and gum disease, which can lead to more serious dental problems if left untreated. It's recommended to see your dentist every 6 months for a regular checkup and cleaning. However, if you have a history of dental problems, your dentist may recommend more frequent visits. It's important to follow your dentist's recommendations and schedule regular checkups to maintain good oral health. There you have it. Following these tips will help you maintain good dental health and prevent dental problems. If you have a suggestion or any other concerns about some of the tips for healthy teeth shared in this video, please tell us in the comment section.